Using the Select Columns transformation in Magic ETL allows you to not only clean up your dataset, but also rename fields. Oftentimes when data is connected to Domo, you have field names with underscores or abbreviations that you want to make a little more user-friendly before creating a card. So if we attach our dataset to a Select Columns transformation and add in some columns, we're given the option to rename them. We don't have any changes we want to make to the first column, but we want to keep it, so we'll leave this field empty. Our next two columns contain an underscore that we want to remove. We can rename these first name and last name by typing into these fields. Our final column is abbreviated to DT, but we want it to be named date when we make a card off of this data, so we'll rename it the same way we did the other two. We can run a preview, and here we see that our column headers have been updated. We're now ready to output this data and build a card.